Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Today we want to draw the involute of a square. We know a square is a quadrilateral that is bounded by 4 equal lines. I want to draw the involute of the square. So what we'll do is this. Like I said earlier, we'll draw our horizontal line this way. And I'll just take 2 points, looking for which is this and this. From here to here is 20, and I'll take in it, and I'll go for the other aspect too. So I'll measure 20 from 1 to 3 is 20. I'll close it up. What I'm doing is just drawing a square. So this is a square, and this is a square. So we want to draw the involute of the square. So what we'll do is that we'll name it. This is 1, this is 0.2, this is 3, and this is 4. So the first thing we'll do here is to start by drawing the vertical line on 1. If 1 is vertical, the next one, 3, will be horizontal. The next one, 4, will be vertical. The next one, 2, will be horizontal. We'll be having one vertical, one horizontal, and so on. It is a vertical. The next point will be, so I can make it this way to be my 1 and my 2, and I make this point to be my 3. Then here will be what? We call it 0.4, right? So we move forward. Now what I'll do is from 2 to 1, I'll draw an arc. That's the radius of 2 and 1. I'll draw this arc. Can you see that? Radius and 2 and 1. So the next radius will be, I will extend it back to 3. Take it back to that radius here, which is this. Then I will draw this to touch here. But I will say the first one, this is 1R. This is 1R. There is what? The 2R. 2R. Then the next one I want to do, take it to this point, extend it here, and I'll get this. Then this will be the 3R, right? And I will extend it back to 1 here, take it to 4, and I'll get that if I want to get the 4R. Now I will want to draw the involute of the circle. So what I will do is, let's assume the diameter of the circle is 30. So what I will do is, I will draw my line this way, draw it this way, like this, right? And like this, just to get the center. Now this is my center, and I'm assuming I'm giving the diameter of the circle to be 40, so I will take 20 to draw my cycle. So from 1 to 3 is 20, right? So I place it here at the center and I take in my curve. Wow, big. And I want to draw the involute of this cycle. So the first thing I'll do, I'm going to divide it as much part as I can divide. I'm going to divide into 12 or into 8, but let me just use 8 to divide. So place my 45 degrees set square on my T-square and start dividing this to this faint line, this also to this another line. So this is what we have. Now if I'm starting from here, this will be my 0. It means I'm going to draw a tangential line at this point. So draw a tangential line straight forward. That's where I'm starting. So that tangential line, I'm going to divide it into 12. So using this demarcation here, so 0 and this, so let me call it, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0, 8 is the same thing. So I'll use each of these demarcation, any of them, maybe let me say 6 and 7, place it at 0, I'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At this point here, 8. So I'm having this is point 1, point 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what I did here, if you notice that this line is 90 degrees to this, it's tangential but it's 90 degrees. So what I will do, I will draw different lines tangential to that point. But the fact there is it must form an angle 90 degrees. You can see this also is forming 90 degrees perpendicular. If you look at it like this, let me show. It is forming 90 degrees. You can see that. This one too is forming 90 degrees too. You can see that. So your tangential line must be 90 degrees to that point. Now come here also. I'll do the same thing to take it up another 90 degrees. And here also at this point, take it here 90 degrees. Then this will be with this 90 degrees. I'm not mistaken. And this number 5. Here also the same thing. So this is 100 degrees. And number 6 should be the same thing. 90 degrees. Then number 7 also 90 degrees. Then we have 8 there. So this is what we are drawing out. Now the first thing you do is this. So from 1, if you notice we are going in anti-clockwise direction, right? So you take radius 0 to 1, you come on point 1 and you mark. That will be your point 1. You come again from 0 to 2, point 2, which is 0 to point 2, you come on point 2, you mark. You come again from 0 to point 3, you come on 3, you mark. You come again from 0 to point 4, you come on 4, you mark. You come from 0 to 5, you come on 5, you mark. You come from 0 to 6, you come on 6, you mark. Come on 0 to 7, you come on 7, you mark. You come from 0 to 8, which is this, and we're marking that. Right, so we'll be having this. So this is what we have. Then use your French curve. Already clean the extra edge there, so you join those points together. So you join from, take any 3 points. I'll take these 3 points. So I can use my compass also. From here, from 0 here, I'll come to this point. From 2, I'll come to this point again. From 3, I'll come to this point. From 4, take it to 3, I'll drop here. From 5, take it to this point here. From 6, take it to 5 here. From 7, take it here. From 8, that's what you do. So you can also use a compass instead of your French curve. So this is the involute of the circle. For the next one will be the involute of a triangle. Now let's assume I have this triangle this way. Let's take this base this way, and I have a point here. Let me call it point A, and I'll say the length of the triangle should be 20. So from 48, I'll count 10, 20. This is 20 here, right? So I close it up. Then I take the same 20. This is the point B here, right? So I'll take the next 20, and it would just AB. I'll strike an arc here, with AB here also, strike another arc. So where they meet, I'm going to draw, close them up. This will be point C. I want to draw the involute of this triangle. So you are going to extend it. From this point, you extend this at point A. You have this. Go to the next one, which is point C. Extend it, and you come to here. You also extend it, right? So now what you do here is this. What you do with this, if you notice it is going this direction clockwise. So I'm going to place it this way from AB. If you look at it very well, AB. I'm going to draw this. That is 1 radius. From here to here is radius. Then I'll extend it to C. I stop at A because I'm starting to move from A. Then I'll go to B to C. I'll move from C, and I'll go to the next one. And that is what? My 2R. We have 3 sides, so to be able to 3. Then I will extend it from B to that point here, and I'm going to get this. So this is 3R here. Right, we have 3 sides. So this is the involute of a triangle. So you always go the direction of clockwise. You always go anti-clockwise. You always be clockwise. Because if you can look closely, it is spinning this direction. So I want to draw the involute of a pentagon with sides 20. So what you do, the first thing you do, the same procedure. You draw your horizontal line. You pick a point A, and you measure 20. So if I'm measuring my 20, I'm going to have, starting from 10 here. So this is 10 is 20, and here to here is 20. And my point B, right? So if I place my compass at this A, at point A here, I'm going to have this, draw a circle. I want to construct my pentagon. This is at B, and I'll get this. So draw my horizontal and vertical line this way, and my vertical line cutting through these 2 points here. So this is A, B, this will be C, and this will be what, D. Now the next thing I'll do is still take the same radius. I'll place it at point D with radius A, and I'll get this. So I'll call it to be E, and here will be what, F, right? So, and this point here will be G. I'm going to draw my line passing through that center there, right? So this is what I'll be having, and I'll come here also from F passing through G. This is what I'll be having. So where it cuts here, H, point H, and this point what, I. Now I'm going to join A to H, and I'm going to join I to B, then complete point AB. So with the radius, same radius I used to get all of them, which is AB, I place it at this point, strike an arc, place it at H also, strike another arc. So where they meet, that will be my pentagon. So all the sides in the pentagon are equal. So this is what we have. And I want to draw the involute of a pentagon. So what I will do is, at this point, I am going to, so this is what I have, a pentagon, right? So this is what will be remaining. You draw your horizontal line this way, draw this line like this, come to the next one, you extend this edge too, come to the next one, you extend this edge too, come to the next one, and you extend this edge too, this edge. Then the next one, this edge. So if you look at it, the spin in this direction. So you just take your compass with radius here to here, maybe ish to this point here. You draw your first arc, right? Then you extend it to this next point. You extend it back to that arc. You draw the next one. you extend it backward again, this point, you extend it here, it comes backward here again, you extend it here, right, and you extend it here also to back to point A, and you come to this point, and if you won't do that, you extend it from here to this point, and you get this. So this is the involute of Pentagon. See that? So don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you have learned from this video. Thank you.